Everyone. If a company sells something, where does that money go? Today, I'm going to explain one of the most important ideas in business and investing: revenue. Revenue is the total money a company earns during a specific period of time. It represents all the income a business brings in and shows how much customers are willing to pay for what the company offers. Revenue comes from selling products or services. Products can be things like phones, cars, clothes, or software. Services include subscriptions, consulting, streaming, or delivery. The amount of money a customer pays for these counts as revenue. Revenue is not calculated before any expenses. It does not subtract costs like salaries, rent, or materials. Those expenses are taken out later to calculate profit, but we won't get into that right now. Let's look at an everyday example. Imagine you run a lemonade stand and sell 100 cups of lemonade. Each cup costs $1. If you sell 100 cups at $1 each, you will earn $100 in total. That's 100 cups times $1 per cup, which equals $100. That $100 is your revenue because it's all the money collected from customers. As long as the money comes from sales, it is counted as revenue. Why does revenue matter? Revenue matters because it helps us understand how big a company is. It gives a quick sense of a company's scale and reach. Generally, higher revenue means more customers and a larger presence in the market. Revenue also shows whether a company's sales are growing. When revenue increases over the years, it means more people are buying the company's products or services. Consistent revenue growth is often a sign of a healthy and expanding business. To summarize, revenue is the total money a company earns from selling its products or services before any expenses are paid. Everyday examples like a lemonade stand help show that revenue is simply the money that comes from its customers. Revenue matters because it tells us how big a company is and whether its sales are growing over time. It's the starting point for understanding a business. We will get into business expenditures in the next video.